to clean and replace the Kingspan Evolution MkIII filter. Disconnect the unit from the power. Lift open the cover and disconnect the lid. Using a screwdriver, open the transparent cap. Remove the white filter. Rinse thoroughly under running water and inspect. If there is any damage, you will need to install a new filter. Insert the white filter and reattach the transparent lid using a screwdriver to tighten to the stop position. Reconnect to the power. Reattach the cover and close the lid.